Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I will show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So to get started, we're going to begin with the dark mode, which you can quickly find either as a toggle in here. So once you tap on it, it automatically turns on, or you can also hold the icon and this will take you to the settings where you'll have also an option for auto switching, meaning that for instance, during the daytime, the device will be in light mode, and during nighttime, it will switch automatically to dark mode, which is really nice. Highly recommend this option because if you wake up at night and want to check the time, you probably don't want to be blasted with bright white backgrounds, and this will ensure that you always have the correct theme. Now moving on to the next option, it's going to be the smart sidebar, and I'm not sure if you ever realized, but there is an actual sidebar, kind of like it is on Samsung devices. It's barely visible. You can pull it out from here and have access to a couple applications, couple toggles and settings. You can also toggle it off, move it around if you don't want it. So as an example, if you grab it, drag it out, it kind of becomes thicker and allows you to basically switch the side of the screen and also just move it up and down depending where you want to have it. And also I believe you can customize it a little bit under the convenience tools, or disable it at least. So let's go convenient tools, smart sidebar, and there we go. If you don't want it, you can disable it from here. You can set transparency to it. I can hide it, and yeah. And moving on to the next option, it's gonna be something that they call icon pull down. Basically, the way I would call it is an improved one-handed mode. So let's first actually enable this so you can see how it works, because by default it is disabled, and you can find it in the settings under home screen. There we go, home screen, and icon pull down, enable it. And what you want to do now is simply, once you grab an icon, you pull it, sit up, nope, quick figure it out. Oh, it's from a side, there we go, not icons. So my bad, I needed to figure it out how it works myself. So anyway, this probably will work better if you have more icons on your home screen, or they are right at the top. And as you can see, once you start scrolling on the edge of the screen, it basically moves them down, and from there you just hover over an icon that you want to open, or an app. It's like music, you let go and it automatically opens it up. So really nice, really handy, and also what I would call an improvement to one-handed mode. Now mind you, it still has some limitations compared to one-handed mode. One-handed just makes the entire screen way smaller, while this allows you to reach apps right at the top without any kind of hassle. But moving on to the next option, it's gonna be a simple one, which is a screenshot. But in here we actually have a gesture for it, which is way better than pressing two keys or holding them, like power key and volume down. So all you do is swipe down on it, and it captures a screenshot. And additionally, you can also make it a scrollable one if you want to. So if you have content that can scroll up and down, like settings, you can then swipe it down, and as you can see, it automatically starts scrolling down. You basically flick it all the way yourself, or a little bit less, tap on a check mark, and there we go. You have a fully scrollable screenshot. So it is way longer of a screenshot than just what is visible on the screen right now. And moving on to the last option, it's going to be the split screen, which can be accessed through recent. Under the three dots, you will have split screen. Now, whichever app you open first in split screen will go to the top, and then you can open up additional app at the bottom. And both of them are fully functional, and you can use both of them. Really handy with YouTube, although I would recommend you to open up on top instead of the bottom. Now that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.